Hi, this is Marcel of Marcel on Tech, and it's finally here. I am super excited. I have finally got my customer order from Honor, and they have shipped it out to me here. I've bought this as a regular customer, and this is the bundle that you get when you order from them, and it is awesome. So let's get into it, shall we? Oh my goodness, I have been waiting for this phone since they released it ages ago in China, to be fair. And what I thought to do is to go through this unboxing experience for you if you are on the fence as to whether or not to go for it. So we're going to do the smallest one there is. Tissue. All right, nice. This is a mouse, but it is a mouse with built-in buds. So if you ever need to connect and put in some earbuds, they're literally built into the mouse itself. Now, I'm going to go into more detail about each of these things in another video, but I just wanted to make this one super quick to show you exactly what's bundled in. The next one is the Magic Pen. This comes bundled in and it functions with the phone, but it will also function with a tablet, which I'm hoping is also included here. So that's one box already. Rah! Okay, nice. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, Honor really know how to bundle together. Here, I can tell you. Hola! This offering is really something. So we've got here already, we've got the pen and we've got the mouse with the earbuds. I've never seen that before, to be honest. I've never seen a mouse with earbuds before. Right, there's the main event. Look at that. Beautiful sealed box with the Magic V6. Then we have, unbelievable, then we have the Pad X9A, sorry, which is a small tablet. Again, it's probably more along the budget line, but we'll take a much closer look at that as well. So that's bundled in the box. Then we have smaller one. Aha, we've got another pencil. So this is a pencil, probably literally for writing on the tablet with as well. So we get an extra one of those. I didn't even know we get that as well. Then we've got, yes, always useful, super fast charging. This is their GAN Slimline 100 watt charging. Super duper handy. It's only got one USB Type-C port in the back there, which is a little bit of a shame. I prefer it to have more, but what are you going to do? It's a free bundle, let's put it that way. And inside comes the portable case as well for the tablet as well. So going through those again, we have got the portable case. We've got the actual tablet that goes with it. The case has built-in keyboard as well, so it's fully functional for practical use. We've got a pencil that no doubt goes with the tablet. We've also got the power charging brick. We've got a mouse with earphones built in, and we've got their Magic Pen as well, which will function definitely with, of course, the main event, which is the Magic V6. So what I'm going to do is I am going to unbox this for you. So let's do this together. Get up nice and close with this. Yeah, nice. Oh, that is lovely. That is very nice. Oh, nearly all the way. Huh, that is super nice. Absolutely love the red edition with that feel on the back. That's such a unique design. Absolutely love it. That's it open, and that's it closed for the first time, and it comes with the shield. But much more detail about the device once we get it started up. Very nice. Very nice indeed. What else do we get inside the box of the phone? In actual fact, I'm hoping it comes with a case, which it does. Oh, that's such a bonus. Because the cases, the covers that come with these are basically completely matching the back. Oof, it feels really nice and it's super practical. The only thing missing from these is that it doesn't have the MagSafe on the back there, which is such a shame, but you can always add one, of course. And what it does have is this hinge, which is super duper handy. Happy days with that. Inside the box here, of course, we've got cable, USB Type-C to C, and some paperwork, and that's it. And then, of course, we've got the SIM card ejector as well. Nice. Make sure you follow and subscribe because I will be going into all of these in more detail and unboxing and opening and testing them all out. See you soon.